Hi everyone, and welcome to Chapter 6 of Exploring STEM and Coding with EDU PICO. In this part, we will learn to program EDU PICO to read analog values from potentiometer. In this video, you will learn to interpret analog signal voltage while manipulating the potentiometer. Turning the potentiometer knob will alter the output flow of electricity. Turning the knob clockwise will increase the voltage, and anti-clockwise will reduce the voltage. The code continuously reads the voltage from the analog pin GP28 that is connected to EDU PICO potentiometer and prints the voltage value to the shell console at an interval of 0.1 second. Let's begin with writing the code for this activity. Line 2, Analog I/O library, enables interaction with analog pins, typically used for reading analog output voltage values through components like potentiometer. Line 4, create an analog IN instance named Potentio and assign it to pin GP28. This prepares the pin to read analog voltage. Line 7, read the analog voltage from the potentiometer using potential value. This value is an integer ranging from 0 to 65,535, which represents the voltage level across the potentiometer. The raw analog value is then converted to voltage by scaling it from the range 0 to 65,535 to 0 to 3.3 volts. Line 8, print the calculated voltage to the shell console. Line 9, add a small delay of 0.1 second using time sleep to limit the rate of voltage readings. Let's run the code and try this program. A potentiometer, often referred to as pot, is a type of variable resistor used to control electrical signals. It consists of resistive elements with a movable contact called a wiper. If you have a 10K potentiometer, turning the knob allows you to adjust the resistance value between 0 ohm to 10,000 ohm. Well done completing part 1 of Chapter 6. In the next video, we will explore the sound sensor. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.